Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 18, locate your inbox. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. So we can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications. Go to All Applications, scroll to the bottom of the screen to explore all the applications. Now go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. And now once we are in the account, let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu where we see the admin, home feed, communities, and inbox is what we are looking for. If we click on the inbox, we can see the unread messages. If I were to click on this, that comes up as a message. If I go to private messages and then go to all, if I go to private message, I can click on this and then send a private message to one of my colleagues that I work with. So let's go back to inbox, unread, private, all, create, and that's all that there is to know in regards to the inbox and what one can do. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.